Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send voice messages on Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Now click on the chats option in the bottom right corner. Open the chat where you want to send the voice message. Here you can see the mic icon just beside the gift icon. You just have to tap and hold on the mic icon in order to record your message and release when you're done. So that is how you can send voice messages in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.